Hey everybody, and this is how you make a time capsule. I mean, a autism time capsule. And yes, wearing this vest seemed to work because I'm having a biker date about visiting some kind of a asylum or maybe some facility for autism. So, this photo seen its better days. So, what you need to make a time capsule is a clear plastic container with a lid. You can get these at Walmart or Maya, depending on your local store preference. And yeah. So we're gonna do this one half, and you place your items here. Look, my bunny stories. That's my preschool papers. You can tell this is a story. You just put it like this. Does it bring back memories? I like least sort of environment stuff. Alright, so we put in a time capsule. And look, a smiley face picture. It looks like the Macintosh. Let's put it in there. This is already sketched on my tablet. Yep, I used to have Miss Teresa back in the day, but I don't know what happened. So I'll be right back. Here's a backpack. As you can see Costandella. I don't know what it means. CD? I don't know. Let's put it in there. Better clean that out. It's a note to my mom about a computer. Remember this type of computer? It says, we tried the computer and he threw the headphones because I never used the built-in speakers. I could hear some software. And alongside he threw the mouse control off and to the mouse control off and threw it, but I don't know how to use a computer back in the day because I wasn't introduced to computers till the internet came along. So, yeah, those were the days. Hungry and area, you know about us? Visual thinking. Now we put in there. And look, can you tell? Always look both ways. How do you learn about safety first? Yeah. Here's another backpack. Here's another storybook, which is just a 4-page story. A 4 I hate these days. Oh, another storybook. And I don't know how to make rainbow stew in real life because I don't have the right ingredients. And look, she's picking up and holding a cabbage. Yeah, it looks like it was a souped up stew. Get it? For information, cabbage is green and cauliflower is white. Oh no. Robin. Another storybook. Look, Z's. And there's other school paper. Yeah, let's put his note here. I think probably autism this can do. And now for this to put in a time capsule. Oh, look, a DVD! And that is not going to a time capsule. So, the blue envelope is a DVD, and this printed envelope is a CD. Now more school papers. Autism reports. And I have a note from the teacher. A catalog. Oh look, a bearded goat. And forget to go soon. And look, that's all the time capsule, but still we need to work on flash drive. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.